So this is my aibo patient Mars. He supposedly has a busted knee and hip here. I'm going to be trying to turn him on for diagnostics, and then we'll be tearing him down shortly. So this is kind of weird. It just looks like his eyes are going on, but he doesn't really want to stretch. So this is going to take some work. Maybe he's out of calibration, but or just is really low on battery. We'll see. But this little guy, has been broken for a long time, and I'm going to do my best to fix him up and make sure he goes back to his new owner. Oh, got eyes here, but it's a little weird he isn't moving. That's never seen that before. Hi, little guy. Yeah, it's like he looks like the person who had him before the person I know bought him was like he's pretty beat up, so it looks like this dog has had a lot of use and is going to take a bit of work. But my boyfriend did buy a resin printer, so maybe we can model and print some parts. But otherwise, with that, I'm going to be doing a teardown and then making sure that I have the parts for him and recalibrating him so he can hopefully be working in a few weeks and going back to his new owner because he broke maybe 4 months ago. No, he won't be back for Christmas, unfortunately, but he will be safe here, and I will do whatever I can to get this little dude going again with lots of updates and hoping to learn a lot from the experience. But I feel bad for the little guy. He's not seeming to be responding to much. I have not experienced this with any of my pups. Even when they've been broken, they just kind of like do their thing but drag their legs. But there's something internal here that the dog is definitely recognizing and not working, which is preventing him from doing the booting stretch and flashing the LEDs. But this is a Japanese dog, so I can't use the app to really say exactly what's going on with him. But I know the LEDs, there is a guide to see what the LEDs show on him, and I will go from there. But I'm going to be tearing this leg down anyways, and hopefully at least getting in there will fix some of the issues. So it's like this is Mars. He got a cute little tag. He's very well loved, but I hope after his trip here he will be up and running again, and I will be probably posting teardown updates on my Instagram and updates of actually running the dog once I do diagnostics on him. So anyway, I hope you can, if you guys want to follow this little guy's story, you can follow my Instagram, which I have posted on my channel, or just keep watching videos here. So I hope I can save this little guy so he can be up and going again soon. Thanks for watching.